Well, the old diesel heater's not doing too good, and I think I've traced it down to the glow plug. So I took the top off, and here's the brain box. I disconnected the glow plug from there, pulled the hood back, and then I bought this kit. So it came with some gaskets, which I'm not going to need for here, and a glow plug, and a glow plug tool with a little slot on the side there, and a new mesh screen, and I think that's a mesh screen insertion tool. I'm not sure. So we're going to take this baby out and see how we do. Yeah, well, this is hard to do one-handed, so I got to stop now and again. So we got the old screwdriver in there, and we're gonna, oh, that wasn't bad. Just give her a twist. And set the screwdriver down. Look at that, coming right out. Oh, let's see if we can get a better. Oh, yeah. Now, I don't know if I can clean this and use it again. I may try that. Wish I could get a better view for you. There we go. Don't mind this. I blew up my voltage meter trying to solder it while it was still connected. Not smart. So there's the old one. Slide her out of there. Down in here is the mesh screen, and I'm going to attempt to pull it out, but I think I'm going to need both hands. Yeah. Okay, you can see I've got it bent. I'm going to try to go in there with the old hemostats and pull her out. There we go. Yeah. She's kind of carboned up. So since I got a new one, since I'm in here, might as well change it. Okay, so where'd she go? There she is. So we're gonna set her down in there. Okay, I need two hands. Okay, I got her set in there. Now I'm gonna, yeah, I guess that's what this is. Insertion tool. She's down in there. Nice and neat. We'll take the new glow plug and set her on in there. Give her a twisty twist. I'll be right back. You know, I bought myself a GoPro camera with a head mount, and I never think about getting it out and using it. All right, so we'll give that just a little. Feels like about the torque that was on there. And we'll set our tools down. Oh, wake up juice. Okay. And then this guy's got to slide down. And the instructional videos I watched said be very careful not to break these connections. So we're going to go gently into that great good night. There she goes, popped right in. All right, so then I take this end and excuse me for a moment. Let me stick that up in there. And I'm going to put it back together. So basically, to put it back together, I slide this in the slot, then I just put the lid on and screw the cap on. Okay, so we got the grommet in place. We got the wires all tucked in, all nice and neat. Set the lid on here. It's got to slide into here. There she goes, and then she just goes down, and then these two ends meet up, and this guy, ooh, I should wipe that off, and this guy screws on. Oh, Mr. DeMille, I hope you feel threatened by my camera work, my directorial abilities. Okay, let's see if she's gonna fire up. Oh, gotta power on a little. So I took this apart while I was diagnosing it. I'll get all that tucked back in again. Now we can go over here and on. See if she's gonna work. Oh, the suspense. So I think I paid about, I don't know, somewhere around $15 for this kit. They had them from like $15 to $23. I don't know if there's a difference from one to the next. Okay, the fan's turning. Glow plug's heating. Got a little glow plug light right there. Pretty soon, this guy should start click-clacking. I upgraded my filter. The filter that comes with these things is garbage. You get these real cheap. Came 2 in a pack. And if you want to see my setup, I have a switch here. I have a disconnect here. Got my 10-liter tank here. And then my switch goes to, don't mind that pump, goes to 3 5-gallon jugs, and then the spare filler there. And so this is, I've been going out of town for work, and this will keep the thing running in the wintertime for a few weeks while I'm out of town. Basically, I just keep it right above freezing. I don't try to heat the garage. As you can see, there's no insulation. I insulated the door. I don't think you can see that. And that's going to help because that's west facing. All right, it's pumping. So I couldn't get this far before. This is good news. Hopefully she'll ignite and start blowing some heat. While we're waiting for that, I'll show you the setup. I got some thermal tape there on the exhaust. And I ran the exhaust into this guy, put a radiator on it to try to recapture some heat before it goes out. And then it comes up to here. And I 3D printed that, I 3D printed that, and I 3D printed this guy. And then she comes down and she heats the batteries, and then this one goes down and heats the batteries on the lower. And as long as I can keep these batteries above freezing, she's gonna do her work. Oh, listen to that. We have a functioning diesel heater. Nice, quick, easy repair. And I'll save these guys for later. And I suppose, yeah, I'm gonna try to clean this up. I don't know if I can clean it and reuse it or not. Oh yeah, she's going now. Clicky clacking. So we'll call that a success. One repaired diesel heater. So I got 1 season out of it, and then I had to replace the glow plug. It does start and stop a lot, but I use diesel. I don't mix it with any kind of waste oil. That pump's just there because I was doing some cleaning, and so I didn't put it away yet. All right, that's good. I mean, I don't have the temp set very high, so it's not going to run any more than that. There we go, 1 repaired unit. Thanks for watching.